Now, Action News 10 at 6 p.m. continues.
Instead of the heat wave tonight, we'll start up top talking about a tropical wave down in the Caribbean. Look at this cluster of clouds and thunder showers right down there in the southern Caribbean. That is a tropical wave. It looks like it's gaining a little bit of strength. Air Force reconnaissance planes out of Biloxi flew down into the storm today. They say, and they're reporting, that it could become a little better organized over the weekend. So over the next 24 to 36 hours, it could turn into a tropical depression. But flooding rains are in this bands of clouds right in through here. Let's talk about Felix, too. If you're plotting the storm, you want the coordinates 37.0 to the north, 68.5 to the west. These are courtesy of the National Hurricane Forecasting Center in southern Florida. The max winds of Felix are still at 75 miles per hour. It is moving in an easterly direction at about 8 miles per hour, so kind of wobbling right offshore about 400 miles east-northeast of Cape Hatteras in front of the Carolina. Hopefully it will continue to move in an easterly direction, taking all of that mess way on out to sea. Well, of course, it's been hot around here. Everyone knows that. It looks like over the weekend, it's still going to be extremely hot across the deep south. Check out this dark shading. We're going to see 100-degree readings all the way from northern Texas back through northern Louisiana, central Mississippi, even down into portions of the Florida Panhandle. Central Alabama around Birmingham, 103 degrees today. That was the actual air high temperature. I think about 6 or 7 days in a row that they've set a record there. We are under a heat advisory. That means temperatures are going to be topping out in the mid-90s to low 100s the further north you go up near Montgomery. So humidity at 50 to 60% can boost the heat index up to 115 in some areas. So please be careful if you're going to be outside. The actual air high for today in Mobile was 96, 95 in Fort Walton Beach, but you factor in the humidity and it felt like 110 to 115 degrees around here today. Last night wasn't cool either. 75 was a cool spot, though, for the Mobile area. Outside right now, temperatures are slowly but surely dropping a little bit. In Mobile, 91, 95 from Monroeville, 89 Pensacola, 90 in Fort Walton Beach. Fort Morgan has about 92 degrees. The humidity, let's check it out, 64%, which really isn't that bad, but it's pretty oppressive out there with that southerly breeze at 10, bringing in all that tropical moisture. The pressure still continues to hold steady at 29.95. So your forecast for tonight, warm and muggy, a 20% rain chance, about 75 degrees for the low tonight with light winds. What about tomorrow? Hot, hazy, and humid. A heat advisory will be in effect, 95 degrees with a high with the south wind at 5 to 10. The UV index will be about a 9, so pack the sunscreen. You will need it. Let's go ahead and check radar and show you where the rains are coming down. Some areas are actually getting a little bit of rainfall, and that's good news. It's cooling it down in Santa Rosa and Okaloosa counties in northwest Florida. Out over the Gulf waters, a few stray showers. Looks like one lingering shower right in through here on the Mobile-Baldwin County line and in northwest Florida, north of Pascagoula. A heavier rain shower continues to there. Where it is raining, no movement. Most of that is stationary. What about the extended forecast over the next couple of days? We've got sunny skies through the weekend, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Back to partly cloudy with isolated afternoon thunder showers. 95, 95, 96, 94. It's not going down, is it?
Those
Staying
are test
the same.
scores. It'd be great.
Yeah, really, you're not kidding.
Forget it.
We'd have A's across the board, but unfortunately, I think the forecast gets an F.